Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by peeling and trimming 2 medium red onions. Use a sharp knife or mandoline and slice them thinly to about 1/8 inch so they pickle quickly and keep a crisp bite. Rinse and drain the slices, then pack them into a sterilized quart jar, tapping down to remove air pockets. Sterilize the jar and lid with boiling water. This reduces contamination and prolongs shelf life. Uniform slices let the brine penetrate evenly and ensure consistent texture in every bite. To make the brine, combine 1 cup white vinegar with 1 cup water, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon salt in a small saucepan. Add 1 teaspoon black peppercorns and 1 bay leaf for balanced aromatics and a subtle background spice. Heat the mixture until it reaches a gentle simmer and the sugar and salt fully dissolve. Do not boil aggressively. Pour the hot brine directly over the packed onions in the jar, covering them completely. Tap the jar to release trapped air, and ensure after pouring brine over the onions, let the jar cool to room temperature. Sealing a hot jar can create vacuum issues. Once cool, close the lid tightly and refrigerate. Wait at least 24 hours before tasting so flavors meld. For a stronger tang, rest the onions for 3 to 5 days. Store the sealed jar in the fridge and use within 2 weeks for best texture and safety. When serving, use clean utensils to avoid contamination, and discard if any off odors or mold appear.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.